Alright, today's lesson is Unit 7. We will be learning about mean today. I can use division to calculate the mean of a set of numbers. The first thing you're going to do is get your vocabulary notebook out. You have one vocabulary word to write down today, and that is mean, which also means average. It is the size of each of n equal groups made from n data values. It is calculated by adding values and dividing by n. For example, if you had the numbers 75, 84, 89, 91, and 101, you would add all of those numbers up to get a total of 440. You would divide those numbers by 5 to get 88. Alright, so make sure you get this entire definition down in your notebook. Alright, so our first page is page 299. The mean of a set of data is a number that describes the size of each of n equal groups made from n data values. You can find the mean by adding the values and dividing that sum by the number of values. If we look at number 1, Davis made 4 clay pots on Friday, 7 clay pots on Saturday, and 4 clay pots on Sunday. What is the mean number of pots he made each day? So what is the average number of pots he made each day? Make a drawing to show how the pots for each day can be distributed to find the mean. Alright, so to start, we're going to draw the number of pots he had on Friday. So he had 1, 2, 3, 4 pots on Friday. He had 7 pots on Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And he had 4 pots on Sunday. We want to make the number of pots equal on each day. In order to do that, we have to redistribute them evenly. So that means I'm going to take this pot, I'm going to put it there, this pot, and put it there, and then that should show that it's even. To find the average number of pots, again, to find the mean, you add the values and divide by the sum or the number of values. So I'm going to add them together. 4 plus 7 plus 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 4 equals 15. There are 3 values. 1, 2, 3. So I take that total number and I divide by 3. So 15 divided by 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. Subtract, I get 0. So the average number of pots, or the mean number of pots he made each day, is 5 pots. Number 2, Serena, Marco, and Ray each have a fish tank. Serena has 5 fish, Marco has 6 fish, and Ray has 10 fish. What is the mean number of fish that the 3 friends have? Make a drawing to show how they can move fish to each person has an equal share. So, Serena has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Marco has 6. And Ray has 10. Serena, Marco, Ray. I need to evenly distribute that. So if I do 5 plus 6 plus 10, I know that is 21. Then I take my total number, divide by the number of values. So there's 1, 2, 3 numbers that I added together. So I take 21 divided by 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract, I get 0. So my answer is 7 fish. Is the average number if they were to share equally. So that my drawing then would look like this. Serena, Marco, Ray, because this one would go here, this one would go here, and that one would also go there, so that they are even. Alright, moving on. To the back side of this page, you are going to be solving 7, 8, 9, and 10. So number 7 says the fair organizers kept track of the high temperature each day. 67 on Monday, 71 on Tuesday, 75 on Wednesday, 69 on Thursday, 78 on Friday. What was the mean high temperature during the 5 days? Remember, you add first, and then 2, you divide by number of values you have. So this one you're going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, number 8, you're going to do the same thing. However, you're going to have some larger numbers to add together. Okay, so make sure that your adding is correct before you begin dividing. Make sure all numbers are lined up. Number 9, you're using the same set of data, but now you're going to add on a Saturday. So that would add a Saturday down here. Okay. And now you're going to divide by 6 days instead of 5. Number 10, you're going to have to, it says the Johnson family attended the fair. The ticket prices for the fair are listed below. There are 2 adults, so I need 2 of these. And there are 2 teens, 2 of those. What was the mean ticket price for the family? So 2 adults would be $10, and 2 teens would be 4 plus 4, which is $8. That's a total of $18. How many tickets did you buy? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So then you're going to divide by 4. Remember when you divide that you need to do 18.00 divided by 4. Alright, after you finish this page, you're going to raise your hand to receive a star. Then it is going to be time for homework. Your homework will be on this page. You're going to work on finding the mean of sets of data. So again, the directions are on the top, but you find the sum, so you add them all together first. Count the number of add-ins, so this would be 1, 2, 3. Divide that number to find out what your mean is, or the average number. There are 15 problems for your homework. You're doing all. When you're finished, you're working on iExcel, and there is a new one posted on the board.